This is a problem where we're given the molecular formula for a compound, in this case DDT, and the question is, what is the percentage composition by mass? So essentially, we want to convert moles of each species to mass and get a mass composition. Since I have not looked at this problem before, the way I would solve a problem like this is to write down information that I know, and I want the mass composition, which means I'm going to convert the moles, and I'm going to take a basis. If I had 14 moles of carbon, 9 moles of hydrogen, and 5 moles of chlorine. And what I'm going to need is the atomic masses, and I'm going to look them up. So 14 moles of carbon, there are 12.01 grams per mole. So this gives me the grams of carbon. 9 moles of hydrogen, and there's 1.008 grams per mole. So this will give me the grams of hydrogen. And then chlorine, 35.45 grams per mole. If I do this multiplication, grams of chlorine. So if I calculate the grams of each of the components, I can add this up to get the total mass. This is 354.46 grams total. And since I want the percentage composition by mass, for carbon I would take 168.14 grams of carbon over the total, and then to get a percentage I multiply by 100 and 47.43%. Well, I can do the same thing for hydrogen. I have 9.072 grams of hydrogen over the total 354.46 grams multiplied by 100. And likewise for chlorine, 177.25 grams of chlorine over the total 354.46. Again, times 100 to make it a percentage. And so since the chemical formula is exact, how many significant figures I report is just a function of how many significant figures I have here. I'll leave everything at 2 decimal places. This then is the mass percent composition for DDT.